Lesson 13, Part 4, First Declension Masculine Nouns ending in as. Just like some feminine first declension nouns have alpha endings and some have eta, some first declension masculine nouns have alpha endings, but otherwise follow the same pattern as the other first declension masculine nouns, except in the genitive. Since all of these that we will learn are names, don't be worried about the plurals, though they're what you would expect them to be. So here we have Iudas, which is the name Judah. So we have Iudas, which is what we would expect. Then we have Iuda. We don't have Iudu, which is what we would have expected for a masculine first declension. We have an alpha by itself, which is a little bit unusual because that's the ending we're used to seeing for feminine nominatives. But here it is popping up in a genitive. That's going to be very, very tricky. Then we have I, and then we have an, which is exactly what we expect. Oh, and then we come down to a vocative, we have an a, which does not match the nominative, it matches the genitive. So note, a couple things here. There are some first declension masculine nouns that end in as that take an u in the masculine singular genitive, but we will not learn any of them in this course since none of them appear more than 30 times in the New Testament. And if you see one, it ends with an u, you're going to think genitive, so it's not really a big earth-shattering detail here. Just know that that can happen as well. Just don't let it throw you. If you see one, you probably won't even notice anyway. But that can happen, but the ones that we're learning here, they will have an a for the masculine singular genitive. And then as I was saying a moment ago, the vocative is the same as the genitive, not as the nominative. So be sure to note that when you parse that it's masculine singular genitive or masculine singular vocative. That's important. So summary, learn the forms.